I'm Jason Jenkins for CNET UK, and I've just spent some time with Apple's latest mobile, the iPhone 4S. It's essentially a refresh to last year's model, but while it looks the same on the outside, there are some important differences inside. The standout feature is Siri, which is Apple's take on voice recognition. This isn't the sort of voice recognition you might be used to on phones, where you say things like, "Call Fred." What's different about Siri is that it can cope with relatively complex commands, and in the demos we were given, it looked pretty cool, although we'll have to wait and see what happens when it's windy, or whether it can understand Geordie. Here is the phone being asked, "Do I need an umbrella today?" To which it replies,
"There's no rain in the forecast for today."
Note the handy weather forecast graphic that appears on the screen too. Siri can also be used to set an alarm on the iPhone. Here there is already an alarm set for 7 AM, and we want to change it to 7:30. Just tell the phone what you want to do, and it replies with,
"Okay, I changed your alarm."
In this example, Siri is being asked to convert £50 to dollars, and it replies,
"Let me think about that. This might answer your question."
For this you also get a handy chart showing how the currency has changed over time. Otherwise, the inside of the iPhone 4S gets a refresh, with a faster processor and a longer talk time of 8 hours. The antenna has also been changed, with Apple saying that the phone switches between two inbuilt aerials. This is supposed to improve call quality and increase the speed of data downloads, although we'll reserve judgment on that until we've had time to test the phone in the real world. Apple is also making a big deal of the camera, which is now 8 megapixels and features a new lens that helps to sharpen the image. Apple says that its new camera is much faster than the competition, with 1.1 seconds to take the first picture and 0.5 seconds to take subsequent one. Video quality has also been increased to 1080p. The iPhone 4S comes with iOS 5, which includes new features like notifications, which work almost exactly the same as the ones you find on Android, although these ones look prettier. Newsstand is an area you can easily download newspapers and magazines if you wish. iMessage is a free messaging system a bit like BlackBerry's BBM, and Game Center now suggests people to play games against. The Photos app will let you edit photos on the phone, removing things like red eye just by touching the screen. And Cards is a new app that helps you design greeting cards to send through the mail. This seems a bit strange, but it seems to work well. Select the photo you want to use, and it is plonked straight onto the front of the card. Select an address from your address book, and the app sends the envelope and card to Apple, where it is printed off and mailed out. The iPhone 4S is not a revolutionary new product, and probably not worth upgrading to if you already own an iPhone 4. But it's a perfectly decent phone that we're looking forward to putting through its paces in our full review. I've been Jason Jenkins, and for more on the iPhone 4S, just check out CNET UK.